Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the wallet or exchange where you hold Tether. This matters because addresses differ by network. Once logged in, ensure you selected the correct network type, ERC20, TRC20, or Omni, because the address format and fees change. Make sure 2FA and your password are ready to avoid lockouts. If you use a hardware wallet, connect it now. Begin by navigating to the Receive or Deposit section. That is where the address appears. Next, select UST within the wallet and explicitly pick the network you intend to use. The interface may list ERC20, TRC20, or Omni options. Click Receive or Deposit and use the provided copy button to capture the full address. Never retype it. Once copied, compare the first 4 and last 4 characters on both devices or screens to confirm they match. If a QR code is shown, scan it and cross-check the string to avoid sending to the wrong chain. Finish by sending a small test transfer to the address to confirm everything works. Choose a low-value amount to limit risk. Once sent, monitor the transaction using the appropriate blockchain explorer for that network. Confirmations show successful receipt. If the funds don't arrive, make sure the receiving address used the exact same network and that no account memo or tag was required. Contact exchange or wallet support with transaction ID if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.